Hello, my name is Ray O'Daniel and I want to welcome you to my channel. We're going to continue on our video series of high-level features. In this video, we're going to be covering the text callback feature that HighLevel has. So before we get started, I would like to see if you could please click on the subscribe and like on this video if you find it helpful and useful. It really does help promote the channel. Believe me, I need it. Thank you. And also, if you do find this information useful and wish to purchase HighLevel, please use my affiliate link below. I do get credit for it. Thank you, and let's get to it. So here we are actually inside of a HighLevel demo account. Now, first of all, I want to again go over what is HighLevel's text callback feature. So inside of HighLevel, HighLevel also has the ability to have phones connected, phone numbers connected directly into your account. So when somebody calls that phone number and it rings and rings and rings and no one answers it, or it goes to voicemail, HighLevel will then sit back and actually send a pre-recorded text message back to that phone number trying to re-engage them. So this is called the text back call feature inside of HighLevel. So let's just take a look first of all of where you turn that on. Because right now you can turn it on and you can turn it off. It's completely up to you. So right now we're inside of a sub account. And right now we're going to go down here and go to the settings. Inside the settings on the main business profile, if we scroll down, we'll see this bottom section here, missed call text back. And right now, if you want to turn it on, you could just check this box. If you don't, you could just remove it. But if you check it, one of the things that you actually get is a little box right here that allows you to customize a message. So depending on your industry, you might want this message to be a little bit differently. So primarily, I do a lot of work with service-based businesses. So the purpose of most service-based businesses are to schedule an appointment. Get an appointment scheduled and utilize their service, and the client makes money. So here, instead of this reads, "Hi, this is the location," or "This is Ben's car wash service. I saw that we missed your call. How can I help?" This is sort of a default message that HighLevel puts in there. Again, you can customize it for whatever you want, but the main purpose of this feature is simply to have the person giving your business a call not to hang up and call the next person in the list. We want to get them at least engaged in a callback to a text conversation, so they will at least respond, "Hey, you were unavailable." They get a text message that says, "Hey, we missed your phone call. I'm sorry. How can we help?" And you're like, "Well, I'd like to schedule a car wash with your service." And then when that message comes back, now you can have some of HighLevel's other workflows and automation come into play and actually start sort of a chat with this person looking for certain keywords that particular person says. Like, "Hey, I want a car wash." Great, it looks like you want a car wash. Here's the link to click to schedule a car wash. So this is something that HighLevel can actually do, but it all begins with the call text back feature. So here's where we turn it on at. Now, one of the things that is important with this is that this text callback feature has to work with an existing phone number inside of HighLevel. So the phone numbers you do have to apply for and actually get them. Here we're going to click in the phone number section. You see I actually have a phone number listed here. But if not, if you don't have a phone number, you could just simply click on the add phone number, select the United States. Let's just say you were in the 212 area code. You can simply click search. Nothing found there. How about 972? So here in the 972 area code, you see that you could choose any particular list of numbers that you want. If you don't like these, you can just kind of click search again. Typically, it gives you another list of phone numbers, and you can kind of go through here and see which one works best for you. But there is a $1.15 monthly fee for using for each phone number that you have listed. So right now, you will just need to pick a phone number. We already have a phone number listed here, so the text callback feature is now tied to this. So if anybody calls this particular phone number, the text callback feature will automatically be enabled and begin a conversation. Now, here's one of the most important things about the missed callback feature is you don't have to be sitting in front of your computer to actually utilize this particular feature. If you download, and for the purposes of this video, I don't have a connection to the mobile app, but if you did download the Lead Connector mobile app, that mobile app is in turn connected into your account. And what it will do is every time somebody calls, it will actually create a contact record. here. And if somebody were to make a phone call to you, you wouldn't see the person's name. All you would see is whatever phone number they called from. The email would be blank, but it would give you the time and date that they called. That's all the information High Level has. But if you ever wanted to, you can simply click on this, and I'm actually going to go to another sub account just to show you what this looks like, because I remember it. So here's an account that we have that has multiple phone numbers like this. So here's a phone number that people call. This was called about a day ago, but if we click on this, we see this is just simply a phone number that was called, and the conversation is we just got an inbound phone call here. Now, if you take a look on this sub account, I did not want the text callback feature enabled on this sub account, so there is no text message going back, but this right here, this conversations area inside the contact is where you would see, hi, this is Bill's Car Wash. I'm sorry I wasn't able to get your phone call. How can we help you? And then any other replies that person would have would show up here in the conversations area. So right now, this is the text callback feature, sort of at a bare minimum. You do have to have a phone number. Excuse me. You do have to have a phone number set up inside of High Level, enable the feature, and right now it's automatically configured to work. Anybody that calls, as long as the phone call is not answered, that's what's important. If it's not answered, then they'll get a text back. If it is answered, then the text callback feature doesn't go off or fire. So I hope you found this video useful. Thank you so much for visiting my channel, and have a great day. Hey, I want to thank you again for visiting my channel and give you one more little thing here. If you are interested in High Level and getting some additional High Level training, please see the link in the description below. I do have a free course I'm offering that covers everything related to High Level and gives you all the information that you need to know. Thank you so much, and have a great day.